The year of 2022 was the year where I messed up very badly with my filmmaker life, and I'm basically doing this video to myself in the past, and maybe I can watch in the future and remember about this. So that's basically like an open letter to myself and also for you, so maybe you can learn with my mistakes and do better choices. But I just want to share things I've done wrong, not all the things I've done right, because that's all about being a human being. We not always do the right thing. We do a lot of bad choices, and that what brings us in situations we go, and then we learn and we progress, and that's basically what happened. So let's go for it. So just to give some context and not being totally awful with my process, I moved this year. I moved to a new country. I'm living in Canada, and I've been living full-time filmmaker for already 3 years. 2 years of those 3 years I was living in United States, and that was where I built up all my network. I met people. I was working a lot. Every month I was doing meaningful projects, and I was making music videos, commercials, and also I had personal clients. I had my wedding business company, and when I moved to Canada I had to restart everything and go from scratch. So it's very hard to do your first 2 years, grow into a path that you're almost hitting the target you want, and then having to go all the way to zero from scratch again. But coming to Canada was very important for me for an even bigger reason than that. So when I arrived here, I have to start from scratch, and starting from scratch means that I basically say yes to every project that knocked on my door, or every project that I knocked in the door to. And I saw myself working 12, 14 hours in a day, and also working non-stop, even weekends, doing a lot of videos. And I will tell you that from all the videos I did in 2022, I probably have between 3 videos I really like. So basically I was doing video that other people wanted, in other people's agenda, with other people's goals. And whenever you as an artist put yourself more as a industry tool, you lose yourself. It's very important to trade your skills for money. That's basically what gives you a way to survive this world, that gives you a roof and also water and Wi-Fi and all those things we need to live a life, right? So I was saying yes to a lot of projects because yes, I need to make a living in a new country, and it was a big challenge. But that also put myself in a burnout situation. And between the month of November and December, I had the heaviest burnout ever in my life. And I didn't want to touch my computer at all. And that was close to when I started my YouTube channel. And my YouTube channel is where I can recharge and be creative and do things I like. But it was a big challenge trying to manage this passion thing that was going on in one side, and in the other hand trying to face this pressure that I was having inside of me. I couldn't look Premiere anymore. I couldn't think about videos anymore. I couldn't watch YouTube. That's the thing that I do 24/7. I'm always learning new stuff on YouTube about filmmaking, and I was just over all of it because it was too much. I just put myself too much, and that was mostly because I also forgot one very important thing. I forgot to do personal projects. Personal projects are very important because you can do things that are meaningful for you in your own agenda with the plans and ideas you have in your mind. And of course, it's amazing to have clients. And in this channel, I want to teach you guys to find clients and make money out of video. But also, don't forget to make videos that is important for you. And with that, I want to say 2 things for you. 1, never start putting your ideas out on a paper, taking notes, thinking about little things that you can shoot maybe one day or maybe never, but put your idea out in a paper. Never forget about that. And 2nd, grab your camera, go out with your friends and just shoot whatever video you like. Anything, just walking around in the city is usually very fun, no pressure, just let it flow. Maybe you post it or maybe you never post it. Doesn't matter, you're just doing those videos for yourself. So that was basically it. I hope you like this kind of format where I just sit and shitty chat with you, and that's also a letter for myself. So if you're watching this in the future, don't forget about those things. Drop down in a comment below if you've been in a situation like that and what you think about this, and I would love to read. So see you in the next video. Thank you.